G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. Good morning all. Time is 6 to 9 in the morning. And I was just about to make my way down to the beach, but I gave some food for these two beautiful birds, the eastern rosellas. And I haven't had a shot of them for a while. These two look pretty young. I think the one on the left is female because it's got a slightly muted red crest. The one on the right is male because it has a really strong, vibrant colour chest. And you see that red how there's two different colours. Oh, they're going to fly off, I think. They prefer that bird feeder over the white one. Beautiful, aren't they? Oh, well, I'm going to head off, go down the beach. Absolutely gorgeous day. It's slightly misty. Other than that, beautiful. It's going to be a beautiful day, I think. Anyway, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.